everybody, this is the Lomax Hard Folding Tonneau cover and a Adarac Pro Series truck rack. Pro Series truck rack comes in matte black or clear anodized aluminum. It's adjustable, can go forward or backwards. It's a bolt-on, clamp-on mount to the stake pockets for the rack, so it can be removed, adjusted, etc., etc. How the cover works, you would drop the tailgate. This cover has it comes in a number of finishes: diamond plate, matte black. This is a black urethane, which is like a bed liner coating. It's aluminum, so it's lightweight. This one is the original design where it folds up, so you pull this cord and it just folds forward. As you can see, there's no interference with the truck rack, and it stores like this. There's some storage straps in the front to hold it there. The original Lomax, you can essentially remove the whole thing from the truck. Let me show you with no tools, so you can run down the highway. This is a work truck. It's used for snow removal, moving storage containers, so we use this thing day in and day out. As you can tell, the cover looks really nice, even under heavy work use. You can totally remove it. Now, there are safety straps here on it, so I'm going to remove those safety straps, or safety clips, have you. Then you pull the latch, and you can literally take this bad boy all the way off. If you need your whole bed, put it on your garage floor or shop floor and reattach. To put it back on, you put it on the rails. Oh. There we go. Anyway, and then it folds out, and you can see it's sealed up. It has built-in seals between the panels that are one thing I like about that. And of course, this is used in gravel lots, dirt lots. As you can see, the cover still looks nice, and it can handle the use. And here you have yourself a cover and rack combination.